Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by plugging in a reliable wired keyboard and mouse. This reduces lag and avoids Bluetooth pairing problems. Once done, go to Ps5 settings, accessories, general, then mouse/keyboard and turn the device on while setting a baseline pointer speed. Then launch Rainbow Six Siege and change the game's input device to keyboard and mouse so the title reads correct inputs and displays key prompts. This step ensures you control aim and actions directly rather than through a controller translation layer. Now you tune how the mouse and keys feel. Set your mouse hardware DPI to a stable value like 800 to 1600, then change the in-game sensitivity gradually to find a consistent muscle memory. Make sure to map essential actions. Lean, vault, gadget, interact to keys you can hit without moving your hand. Once that's comfortable, separate ADS sensitivity from hipfire so aim down sight isn't too slow or twitchy. Save the layout as a profile if the game or your peripherals support profiles for quick recall. Finish by testing in low-stakes modes like terrorist hunt or a custom match so you can refine sensitivity and key placement under movement and recoil. Make incremental changes, test, tweak, test again, and save distinct profiles for different playstyles. If the Ps5 fails to detect devices, try a different USB port, reboot the console, update your mouse/keyboard firmware, or use a compatible adapter. This single troubleshooting step, switch ports and reboot, resolves most recognition problems quickly so you can get back into RAM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.